ever perfect for me. I should be happy that you're gone, 'cause life is so fulfilling when you're content to be alone. And I'm finished feeling sorry, will we ever say goodbye? 'Cause getting over you was a highlight of my life. Now